So today is the night before Halloween. So I'm probably going to post this video first before I make the big announcement that I was going to make in this next video. So I promise that next video, that's a tongue twister. The video after this will be the big announcement. So I know that I said my next video is going to be the big announcement, but I decided to record this video because today is the day before Halloween. So I think I'm going to post this before I post the big announcement that I have. So since it's Halloween and I like doing face paint, I'm going to go ahead and do a kind of spooky, I'm going to attempt, that's a big word, I'm going to attempt to do Saw, and then probably I'll go for a happy one. So I will, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and start with the white. So let's go ahead and peel it off. Alright, it said we don't need to use water or anything to apply it, so I don't know if you just apply it normal. Maybe. It looks a little rough, but I think this is how you do it. I don't know. Alright, I went ahead and finished the white off camera. So now we're going to move on to the black. I unput and everything. So I'm going to do black around the eyes. Sorry for not talking. I am focusing because I want to look as good as I can. Do the other eye off camera as well. Alright guys, I went ahead and did both eyes off camera now. So next is just the red lips and then the circles on the cheeks. So let's go ahead and I'm deciding if I should do the circles first or if I should do the lips first. Let's go ahead and do the circles first. I apologize if you're not going to be able to see me. I have a mirror sitting down, so I don't know if the camera will be able to reach and see me do the circles, so I apologize. Let's go ahead and just crisp up those lines right there. Like I said, this is gonna look silly since I'm no perfectionist. Not too bad. I don't think it's too bad. Let me know in the comments. So now we're gonna go on to this side. Let's go ahead and clean off that brush a little. Make it more round. Grab some more red. I'm using the Wet n Wild palette right now. So let's go ahead and just get a lot of red on the brush. There we go. Once again, I apologize if you do not see me. I like it. They're totally not even, but I'm no perfectionist. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the smile. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, so I'll be right back with that. Alright guys, I went ahead and did the smile off camera. I'm going to just go ahead and touch up this side, because I know it's a little uneven, but oh well. Alright. Alright, so now that we're done with the smile, all we have left now is the black lines down the side of the mouth. And then it is all complete. So let's go ahead. Got the black. And then it's just two lines like that. Let's go ahead and do it this side. Bleeding into the, there we go. Gotta wipe some of the white off of the paint. Alright, these are fatter lines than I planned on. But that's okay. Alright, now I'm gonna just go ahead and touch up some of the white that either came off when I was doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just touch up some of the white that is mistaken, that was taken off. Alrighty, I went ahead and fixed it up. I saw a piece of my eye that needs to be fixed. So like I said, right now I'm just doing a touch-up. Okay, let's go ahead and fix this eye. Trying to get the bottom. There we go. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, well here's the first look, the saw. I don't think I did too bad. I think it actually looks pretty good. Some of the white could have been lighter, more poppable. I don't know how I should put it, but so there's the saw. Let me know in the comments down below how I did on the saw, and I'll be right back with a clean face, and we'll move on to the next one. Alright guys, now I'm back with the cleaned face. It took a bit to get it off, but I got it off. Some is still left over, mainly in my eyelashes. But it's not going to be noticeable for this next look. Let's go ahead and delete this one. Alrighty, so to start off, we're going to go ahead and get my face all green turtle-like. So now this green is very interesting. I apologize, my ring light died, so it might be hard to notice the green. So once I get it all on, I'll do a close-up of the green. So far, I think I'm doing pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, how I'm doing. So, and let me know what you guys are also gonna be for Halloween costumes. I am gonna be a werewolf. Me, my niece, and I think it might be just me and my niece, maybe even others, but we're gonna be werewolves. So looking into my mirror, this green is working 50-50. Alright guys, I went ahead and did green face off camera for the turtles. So let's go ahead and get the red face started, around the eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and just go down here. It'll come out right there. I apologize again if you're not going to be able to see my face, since the mirror is down on the ground and I'm up here. I think my favorite look is probably the saw, but that might change right now. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. I'm gonna have to undo more of it. Maybe it's giving me trouble. I apologize for the pause in talking. It's just giving me troubles. There we go. Oof, perfect. Switch fade to hold the red. All right. Coming along a little. Bring that up a little so you can see it more. Oh, red, don't give me trouble. Don't give me trouble. It's giving me trouble. Goodness. But I'm a newbie. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Go ahead and let me know which look you liked better in the comments. Either this turtle or the saw. Let me know please. Me personally, I like the saw. But I did good on both. We fixed this one as best as we could. So, once again, hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys here in the next video. Once again, this upcoming video is going to be the big announcement that I've been waiting to share with you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.